Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of September. Keep in mind that these readings are journal. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonate with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can skip it. Even it's not good for me, but still I really don't want you to waste your precious time. So let's get started. What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? And we are having here Three of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Four of Swords, the Fool. What are the Taurus feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Taurus feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Tower, King of Cups, the Magician, Five of Cups. What are the mutual energies? Ten of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Four of Swords, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Three of Cups, King of Cups, Five of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Six of Pentacles, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, Taurus. And your person is having an affair, and that's why they just wanna be alone. Some kind of they attract towards somebody, and I guess they are having some kind of fling and attraction towards someone, and maybe the person they attract towards not giving this person response, and they just got that it's taking them nowhere. This flirt, this attraction, this trying to get this person, it's taking them nowhere. And you already take break from this person, and this person wanna be alone and really don't want to pick up a fight, and really don't. It's when we try to find someone, when we try to replace the person we love, this person try to replace you, try to find happiness beside you, the other person they're trying to, but it's with this four of this person tired, they can't do that. Third party maybe between you two, and this person trying to have the same chemistry and the same thing with that other person, but it's not that easy for them. It's not how. So Four of Swords, when this person is tired and totally giving up on this finding new love thing, and now this person is missing your generosity, how comfortable you are, how supportive you are in every circumstance, in every downs, in every darkness. You stood by this person's side, and you are you were supporting this person. You are generous and kind person who this person is a taker, always take from you, and now they are missing your generosity and you and your support and your existence in their life. They can't replace you. They try to with someone else, and this try is not that good for them. This person really want to have a new beginning. They want that with you. With other person, they are just trying to find someone. They are trying to maybe they try to hit on someone that close to you, or maybe this person already, and this person not responding, this person your person, but this person really want to have a new beginning. These are the possibilities and scenario cards like that. This person want to, but it's not that easy to replace you. It's not that easy to have same the thing with your close ones, your friends, your close fellows, not like you. You are the you, only the person. Nobody can take place. Nobody can. You are the masterpiece, master copy. They can't replicate you. This person can't. Maybe few of your habits reflect in your friends, but they are not you. So this person is tired, and this person really don't want to deal with this thing anymore. Your friends this person's friend, not you. They're individually a different person, and they are missing the sport, your generosity, you, and they want this back and they want to have a new beginning. They really enjoy your company. Whenever they're with you, they really enjoy it. And on the other hand, Taurus, you are with the Tower card, you find out something about this person, and it's a complete shock for you. Something new, a new thing, a news, something, the whisper, a rumor, maybe you just catch that and you just totally shocked here. How this person can do that? You try to control this situation, you try to control yourself, you are trying to, stepping out of your comfort zone. And the thing you find out, it's about when this person try to control you in some, ways, try to manipulate you, try to control you. You find out we sometimes realize and ignore, but when finally with proof you get to know that this person were manipulating you and controlling you, being a control freak with you, finally with proof, it makes sense. Everything, the different time period and different thing this person did to you, and then all of it connected, and it makes sense. And that when it makes sense, it's a shock for you, it's a truth. Now your heart is realizing, yes, this person controlling you, this person manipulating you, this person, try to mold your life, try to mold you in their the wish, in their desire, shape. And you, king of cup, you detach your cup from this person's cup, empty cup. No matter how much you pour, how much you fill this person's cup of love, still empty. So you are not giving your love to this person, and you are reflecting over past, some kind of grieving. This shock make you realize about you are grieving, you are regretting over something, you are not loving this person, you don't want to, and this person is, controlling you, and it's a burden on their shoulder. Now, as I told you, this person want to, maybe they do something, with your friend and trying to have something, and now whatever they have done, it's a burden on them. This person is compressed and under burden, and you are going with flow. You let destiny, you surrender in front of destiny. There is some kind of roller coaster and ups and down, but I think everything is going to turn into your favor. It's for your own good. Whatever is happening, it's for your good. Let's see what else we have for you, Taurus. What else we have for Taurus? We are having here Seven of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Three of Pentacles. This person, yes, as I told you, this person controlling you, this person manipulating you, yes, this Seven of Swords confirm that this person do something sneaky. They're lying to you, they're hiding facts, they're molding facts. This person is a complete player, and you've done being vulnerable in front of this person. This person hurt you and keep hurting you, and now you want to protect your heart, and you really don't want to repeat again this whatever happened between you two. Really don't want to repeat that, and some kind of new contract in your hand, some kind of new project in your hand, and you really want to focus in upcoming days. Your all of your intentions do convert in divert to in this new project and this new contract, and this person want to build something with you. They want to have a new beginning with you. They want to build somewhere, or just want to exist in your life in any way, maybe in a practical way, by their job way, by their, the friends with your friends way, that kind of, they just want to exist there. Let's see what else we have for you, Taurus. What else we have for Taurus? And we are having here again Seven of Swords, Five of Wands, and Knight of Sword. This person is will, liar, manipulator, and this person really trying to do something sneaky with you again, using some kind of shortcuts and tactics and mind games with you. They do feel some kind of obstacles towards you, some kind of protection around you, some kind of people that keep telling you something and you are listening to them, the gossips and the whispers and the discussion and your folk, maybe they are talk out, you are just talking to them, they are talking to you, some kind of discussion there, this person is sneaking out. And upcoming days they really want to some kind of propaganda, some kind of the thing, they are totally a manipulative freak who just in front of you they are really a saint, behind your back they are totally a different toxic person, and they are just saying a lot of things to your folks, different type of opinions, they are trying to trick them, they are playing some kind of mind games, confusing them, giving them the one sentence but with two and three meanings. And this person is really energetic, doing some kind of propaganda, and they are doing something like that with you. In upcoming days you need to be careful, Taurus. This person is not that straight the way they look like. There are a lot of layers in this person. They do want to have a new beginning and they're missing you. And as I told you, they doing something with mutual friend and then they get rejected and they think it's not that possible to get your friends and friends of friends kind of thing. And then they just, feel tired and disappointed somewhere, and they're doing something sneaky, definitely lying and doing some kind of tricks with you and your folks talking about, and they try to talk you out. And this person is really energetic in upcoming days just to manipulate you, one sentence multiple meanings. Let's see what else we have for you. What else we have for you? You are a spiritual teacher. You have the ability to console others and help them awaken their spiritual gifts and divine mission. This is for both of us, Taurus. All you need to do just to connect to your spiritual side, and you will convince all your people. This person, one sentence, a lot of meanings. All of it, you will wash it easily. Let's see what advice messages. Give yourself space. Let her let him go. Pray to the God for peace in your life. Pray. These are your advice messages, and summary of your reading is this person is tired. They try to replace you, they try to hit on the mutual friend, but they can't get the results. This person is a player, this person is sneaking, this person is manipulating you, and you are shocked. You find out something about this person, and now it makes sense why this person do things like that, and you detach yourself and you are regretting over that, and some kind of discussion and whispers, you don't want to repeat any kind of harsh history with this person. This person is really energetic, they are just doing something and they want to do something, the manipulative things and sneaky things. These are some of your readings, Taurus. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.